So we do have a group of quality control managers who inspect our buildings every night. We have good communication with our clients. We are known to be very responsive, so we are always on top of the game, and we try to just go above and beyond for our people. We do have a general email, which is our support email, and that email just directs everything to our office staff, and everyone in the office is able to see it and be able to respond to our clients just in case I'm not available or anyone else. Everybody in the office is going to be able to assist as requested. We are available 24/7, so I'm usually one of the persons, or anybody is available to take phone calls, emails, but we're always on top of checking like our emails, text messages, phone calls, just in case there's an emergency over the weekends. So we are known to always go and check every single detail. We're very detailed with the cleaning, so we check from top to bottom, and we are always open to provide extra services if it's needed. Yep. We have protocol, which is they have to report to us if something it's broken during cleaning, or if it's something missing, they found a missing item, like, hey, we found a phone or something like that. They need to report to their quality control manager, and then it comes directly to us. So like that, we can talk to the client about it and figure out a solution. If you're looking for a company that takes care of their clients, meets their needs, and are very responsible, please reach out to us. We are available with any request with cleaning services. We are 100% sure that you'll be satisfied with our services.